we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words whose pronunciations vary between British English and American English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning in British English. This is said as hegemony with a hard G and an emphasis on the second syllable, hegemony. In American English, however, it is usually said as hegemony. Hegemony in American English versus hegemony in British English. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.